Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super yummy cake, which is the salted caramel and whole wheat date cake. It's very easy to make and I'm sure you're going to love it. So let's get started. For the whole wheat date and caramel cake, we will be needing dates, hot boiling water, baking soda, baking powder and salt. I have whole wheat flour, vanilla essence, sugar, oil, milk and walnuts. Apart from this, I will be using walnuts for decorating on top, and we will be using the salted caramel sauce, the recipe of which is already on my YouTube channel. You can refer to it and make the salted caramel sauce. I will take the dates, to which I will add the hot boiling water. I will leave this for 5 minutes and then puree it in the mixer. Next, we will take the dry ingredients, that is the whole wheat flour, the baking powder, baking soda, the salt and the walnuts, and I will just mix them around so that the baking powder and all the other ingredients are spread across evenly in the flour. In a bowl, I will take the dates which have been pureed with the water in a mixer. As you can see, it's like a smooth paste. Even if you have small pieces of the dates inside, it's perfectly fine. It just gives a nice feel to the texture. Next, we will put in the oil, the sugar, the vanilla essence and the milk, and we will move this around till it is well mixed. Once this is well mixed, we will take the pre-mixed dry ingredients, that is the whole wheat flour which we had mixed with the baking powder and the soda, and incorporate the flour into the batter. Using a pan loaf for baking this, so we will put our batter into this pan loaf, which I have already greased and put a butter paper so that it comes out smoothly and doesn't stick to the tin. We will put the full batter inside. Once it's put, we will just level it out in the tin. Once I have put the batter into the tin, I will take the salted caramel sauce and just randomly drizzle it on top. I'm not going to be using the full sauce because we are going to be using it even to decorate on top. Once I have put the sauce, I will take the toothpick and just swirl it around. You can see how I'm doing it, so that you get nice rippled effect of the caramel in the cake. Once this is done, the walnuts which I had kept for the decorating on top, we will just put them in the center in a line. If you want, you can put a little bit on the sides too. This will then go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes till you insert a toothpick in the center and it comes out clean. Our whole wheat date and caramel cake is out of the oven. Now what I will do is I will just take the caramel sauce and just drizzle it on top. You can just drizzle it the way you want it, how much you want. You don't want it, you can avoid it altogether, but trust me, it tastes fabulous with this sauce. and this is ready to be devoured. We will cut a slice to show you how spongy, how soft this cake actually is. Can you see this? Can you see the texture? It is super soft and fabulous. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।